Yes, guys, what is the purpose of a landing page? Let's go. So, guys, look, a landing page is something that actually can help to capture, if you like, some leads. Okay, it's like lead generation. Like it can get some emails from potential, I guess, customers, right? So, I'm going to show you something, right? I think one of the best ways of using a landing page is something on on YouTube. So this is one of my channels. I have a few YouTube channels. This is one of them where I've got me and a couple of friends, teacher friends, with we've got a podcast, and as you can see, Real Talk by Real Teachers. So the landing page, how we use the landing page in this way. If I go to our videos, if I click videos, and I can go to say our latest video. I'm just going to click it now. Very quickly, I'm going to pause the video because that's not really the aim of showing you this. But I'm going to pause this now, and how it works is in terms of the lead generation. If I just open up inside the description under the video, what you'll see, guys, is you'll see that I have quite a few links, right? So the links. The links will link to various things, whether it be my website, our website, whether it be to other things that link with coaching or emails or PDFs that we have that we give away. But the purpose of the landing page is really is to kind of capture emails of potential customers. So in our case, obviously, our audience are teachers, right? Our audience are teachers. And what we do is we do various courses and so on, which we can sell. But how do we sell this? Well, the way we would do this is we would have, for example, we'd have a few things along the bottom. So we'd have like a landing page when so for example, let's look at the first thing. I'll give you an example. Look at that first thing. It says free download 5 secrets to reduce teacher stress now. So when they click on it, and this goes and uses our sort of, if you like, our software. It goes and links to our software. And the software that I use is called Kajabi. Check out the link in the description. And Kajabi is like the best thing to use when you want to use landing pages, you want to have a website. It combines many things in one, especially for businesses. It's really good. So the landing page, how it works is when I click on, let's say, to get my free download PDF on 5 secrets to reduce teacher stress, for example, and I click on it. So I'm going to click on it now. Let's see where it takes us. Now, it takes us to this, and this is like the landing page, guys. So what happens is it says 5 simple steps to reduce teaching stress today. Download the free cheat sheet now by putting in your email, right? Obviously, that's you have to put in your email that you want. So obviously, you type in your email, then click submit. And then once you click submit, what happens is after that, you will get a PDF, right, with all that information to help you, like with teaching stress. But what will also happen is it will capture the email. And then from that email, what we do is usually we'll send out like a mass email to all the contacts that we've managed to gather through the landing pages. And then what we'll do is we'd offer other things, maybe courses and so on. And that is how sort of we utilize the landing page. So if I go back, we've got various other downloads which we use. And, like I said, it connects really well to our website, which is this one, Teachers from the Hood. You've got the website, we've got a blog, we've got some information on best side hustles, about. And, this is, like I said, this is all part of something called Kajabi. And like I said, go check out Kajabi in the link in the description, because this is where you create fantastic landing pages that you can use and also connect it to your website, have a blog, have podcasts. You literally can put everything and even have a membership. You can even create a membership. So once you captured, the emails through the landing page, you can have like a membership where people can maybe pay a monthly fee, where you can give them really good quality content and things like that. So this is what this is how it's used. And the landing page works fantastically well with a YouTube channel. So you could actually put videos of content, and then in the description you can have all this sort of information that you have. And look, you'd have like resources, you'd have links, you'd have all your socials there. You can see the website, the bloggers there, Spotify, Instagram, TikTok. And all of these work really well, guys, together to create something. So I think it's really, really amazing and really important to kind of check out, guys. So yeah. So guys, that's the purpose of a landing page. It's literally to capture, information, emails, and so on. So yeah, but like I said, check out Kajabi, which is how we create the landing pages and create our website and everything. And it connects everything together. So you get a free trial when you go to the link in the description. And if you did find value in the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, guys. And check out my other podcasts, or should I say playlist videos up there. Yeah, take care, see you soon.